So having just moved into a new home, always trying to find a place to put all your stuff. I was contacted by NUNET about this product that they offer, and I figured I'd go ahead and receive it and give a review on it because I think it might be something that'll really help us out. This is an extra large foldable closet organizer. You can buy this product on Amazon. I'll put links for it in the description if you have more interest or want to check it out and get more info on it. But it contains 3 large foldable closet organizer storage boxes. 2 19-gallon and 1 38-gallon collapsible, stackable, portable storage bin with lids. As you can see, it comes very well packaged and it's supposed to be really easy to assemble. So let's get into it. I'll put this together, we'll have a closer look at it and just see what it's all about, see how it's constructed, and then I'll give you my thoughts as to how I might end up using it in the future for our personal storage. Pretty nice set of instructions that come with it. It's supposed to be real simple and easy to put together, so I'm going to pull these parts out. This says collapsible, so these are already collapsed, it looks like. I'll pull these out, put them on this table over here, and then we'll open them up and put it together and we'll see if it's going to work out. It's stackable, and then there's wheels on the bottom. You can roll that thing around. Of course, you got doors on it. And let's look at it, see how it goes together. That first box seemed to have gone together pretty easy. A whole lot easier than I actually anticipated. Just got to take off this plastic wrap. This whole thing, it says collapsible, and it's just all folded in on itself. So you just lift up the sides, and the front has the doors on it, and the back. And then on the corners, they just fit together. There's a rail there and it fits inside this other one and then snaps into place. So it's just that simple. Do that 4 times and then you got your box, and underneath they've got the lid stacked underneath it. And then these cupped areas on the lid from the one that goes below it accommodates these little plastic roller wheels that are in the one in each corner, to make it easy to roll and slide around. And then when you stack them, they fit together pretty snug and tight. Once you get it locked in place, it pretty much stays there unless you lift it up a little bit to move it. All right, here's the finished portable closet. It'll probably end up in my closet and my wife will fill that thing full of clothes. But that's fine. It should work out really well for that, and that's ultimately what it's really designed for. But let me show you the mechanism here on the doors. It just has this plastic handle that folds with a little clip down here and one up at the top. And it just clips over these plastic nubs that are in the cabinet, and then it latches shut, so it keeps the door shut. You can put them in whatever order you want. I just have the 2 regular cabinets on top, and then this is kind of a closet one here on the bottom. It's much bigger, about twice the depth or twice the height, however you want to look at that. And then it also has a coat rod. And it also came with some little hangers. I guess these are designed for just hanging kids' clothes or something like that on. or you could hang your shorts in there or something that's not super tall. And then it has these tie downs, and these have a 3M adhesive on the back. And what that's designed for is you can connect one side to the cabinet and the other side to the wall, or you can connect the two cabinets together with it, and it just keeps them from coming apart. So that's kind of cool. It's 57 inches tall, about 15 inches deep, and 2 feet widthwise across, to give you a little bit of scale on the size of it. And each one of the compartments has rollers on the bottom. They don't swivel, so it only rolls in the lengthwise direction. It doesn't roll forward or backward, just the way the rollers are designed to fit on the bottom of it. You can buy these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, my Amazon affiliate link, and you can check it out and get more information if you think you might have a need for it. I think the wife is going to love it. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.